Okay, so this will be a video demonstrating the 2- and 3-dimensional system of equation solver that I've written and published under HoodooNET. So, I'll just walk right into it. This application is very simple. It's also only 99 cents in the App Store. It's called System Solver, but it solves 2- and 3-dimensional systems of equations. So, I will show you how to use the application instead of writing a big lengthy thing on the website. So it's a simple little app with this icon. So it comes up rather quickly, and as you can see, it's got a tab bar at the top to switch between 2- and 3-dimensional mode, and then 3 buttons at the bottom. One clears the screen, one solves whatever system you have, and the other shows a little help dialog on how to solve systems of equations with matrices. So this application is nice because it uses my matrix calculation engine for the iPhone. So I will just show you how to input a system of equation into the application. So here I've got 2 systems of equations. The one on the left works. As you can see, the one on the right has infinite solutions because the slopes are the same. So I'll show you how to insert them into it, even though it's fairly self-explanatory. So you just tap on since this uses the matrix method, you have to put in the coefficients, so it's easier to put your equations in a standard linear form before, so ax plus by equals c. So you would click on the first, put in the first coefficient, which is 5. You can just tap on the next box and it'll automatically move. Alright, so once you're done inserting them into the solver, you hit Solve System, and it brings up your 2 results. And as you'll see, it'll say 1.526316 for x, and it'll say 0.228070 for y. If you check what I did by hand, they're close. The only reason is I rounded on the paper. Okay, so I'll also show you infinite solutions, what it does to handle those. So you can just click CLS and it'll clear the screen. Oh, I'm not actually hitting it. Alright, so you put in 3. -1. Done. If you hit Solve System, it'll say Infinite Solutions. So, it'll say infinite, which means there's no solution. Okay, so that's how to do a 2-dimensional system. Now, 3-dimensional, basically same thing, except you just hit the 3-dimensional bar and the other coefficients that you use will pop up. So I've got an example here to test it out. So we'll use the bottom one. So you just type it in the same way. 1, 1, 2, 1. -1. I'm just checking onto it. Alright. Oh, there's my error. -1. Alright. And you hit solve, you come out with the same results. So you have 2, -1, 3, and you have 2, -1, and 3 on it. So that's how to use this app. Fairly simple, really cheap. It'll help you out. It'll make your math systems go quicker. So This is Nathaniel from HoodooNET, and this is our System Solver app.